Welcome, loves tomato channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing summery makeup look. And I know I'm late and it's almost the end of summer, but it is what it is, guys. I've been doing renovation for 2 weeks and I'm still in the process. You can tell. Yeah, excuse me. Let's get started. Let's do it real quick. I'm going to start with the hydration, the one I do every single time, and it's perfect for summer season because it is extremely light and it's not going to get in your pores. It's not going to clog your pores. Aqua Peeling AHA toner. Then I'm going to be going with my favorite, ultimate favorite cream. This one is a lebelage Korean brand sun cream, and then a little bit of Nivea aftershave lotion on top of everything, or just like it doesn't really matter in what sequence you're using these products, but definitely go ahead and use them. Let's talk about my next step. You can skip any foundations because you're gonna sweat. It's gonna be hot. Summer, okay. And this is La Roche-Posay. I've been using this product for quite a while. It's pretty comfortable when you wear it on, and I love that it's not going to give you a lot of coverage. But be careful, it's a little bit orangey, and if you hate when your complexion has additional yellow color, keep this in mind. Let's finally do a little bit of the product in the areas that I want to cover from redness, from any imperfections. I think this is not really bad. I think we're going to cover a little bit my nose area, maybe my cheeks from additional color, rosacea, I'd say, and that's it. Nothing crazy. We don't need a lot of the color. It's just a little bit to cover my blackheads. I'm going to use my Pro concealer underneath my eyes, and today I'm going to skip any bronzer in this area, cream bronzer, because, well, when you sweat, cream products, they're going to be extremely visible and they might actually clog your pores eventually. That is the main reason why we used a lot of hydration and minimum products. And I'm blending this with a finger, but it's up to you guys. You can use Beauty Blender. Let's dab the entire face with my sponge. Finally, I have Catrice All Matte plus Shine Control Powder Banana Shade. I love it for summer in particular because it's not going to give you a lot of coverage, but it's going to cover a lot. And I'm going to grab my big and fluffy brush, tap it off, lightly set this area where I used my foundation and my T-zone with the nose. And that's it. I'm not going over forehead and the sides. We did not use a lot of product in these areas, so that's why I'm going to keep it to a minimum. Finally, we're moving to my bronzers and a little bit of contour to warm up the complexion. Let's use e.l.f. contour palette in my previous brush. I'm going to grab a little bit of this color, get it on the back of the hand, add a little bit of this powder over forehead. Minimum product, guys. It's almost invisible. And then I will add the same color in this area, just the slightest bit with tapping motions, and a little bit more on top of my nose bridge, like that. And then with the contour, I'm going to use the same brush, pick this on, tap it off, just add on top a little bit more to get this shadow structure. Make sure that it's a little bit more contoured. To one of my favorite parts, we're using blush. It's totally optional if you want to avoid some powdery products. I love adding a little bit of blush right here, maybe to the temples a little bit. Same part as I used bronzer on top of the nose. And I did not forget about highlighter. This is one of my favorite products, MUA Makeup Academy. Beautiful highlighter. With an e.l.f. brush, I'm getting this on. Look at this reflection, extremely pretty. But in addition to that, I want to go with a little bit different color. This is bronzy yellowy shade. I want to grab a little bit more, tap it off, and get this on top of my previous highlighter. I think it's going to give this beautiful illusion of a neutral, cool tone, warm tone color. And we're going to set everything with a fix and spray. This one is from Essence. And dab with a Beauty Blender. To my favorite part, this is Makeup Revolution Contour Palette. I'm combining Curl Felt Matte Lipstick, super dry formula, with a yellow color. It's not so yellow now, but when you mix in the shade into yellow, becoming more baby pink color. Okay, I'll mix it first. It's gonna transform. Use Beauty Blender and just pat a few times. In spots that you use your blush and bronzer. Let's use the same highlighter, dry formula, or you can go with gold highlighter, whatever you have, and top the previous shade with the same highlighter. Now I want to do super simple eye makeup look that's not going to be complicated. I will use my NYX eye primer. It's a crucial step because your lids are going to be sweaty as well, and this way you can possibly prevent this from creasing. I'm going to use my flat, wet brush in this beautiful navy color. Pick this on and get all over my lid, up to the crease. With a finger, I try to blend any harsh lines and create this beautiful glittery look, this black color. Put this on, tap it off, and get this on top of my lash line and bring this a little bit higher, like that. Let's diffuse this black line with a little bit different shade. Maybe it's going to be beautiful with color pumpkin, but I will grab a little bit different brush. Still tiny. Tap it off. Just get this on top of my black. And I guess my final step for this makeup look is with the color. I'm going with blue eye pencil. And with loose powder, let's complete the look by adding underneath my eyes to get rid of any black marks. When your mascara dries out, you can wipe off loose powder. Do not set it with any fixing spray. I think it's not going to help. Guys, we're finally doing a lip gloss. This one has a little bit of tint to it, and I'm going to cover my lips with no lip pencils, with no additional color. I want this to be extremely soft and extremely easy. I'm gonna wipe off any powder underneath my eyes. That is it. That is a complete makeup look, summer glam, that I really love. It is easy, it is soft, and it is summery. Okay guys, and this is a complete tutorial of my summer makeup look. You're gonna probably sweat, and it is inevitable. But at the same time, I guess minimum products are not going to slide off your face easily. You're not going to see a lot of creasing. I think it's not going to be a huge problem because we did add minimum products. I love you all so much, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye-bye. I'm sorry that this video was so late. It's because of renovation, and I wasn't able to film anything. Please excuse me, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.